Alright, you already know, man. We had this mold shit, you know what I'm saying, on that barbecue shit today. Shout out to my sis. She said get the ribs, so I'm, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna fuck around and get some ribs today. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Jay. He said the whole fire. So you know what I'm saying? We gonna get it right. So bam, you know what I'm saying? So right off the bat, man, yo, these motherfuckers were fast as hell. I ain't getting no small ass order. I got like $30 worth of food in this bitch. I don't know if it's good to fix up $30 worth of food in 5 minutes, but I don't know. They did that shit. But damn, I wait to say this sweet tea just for y'all, man, because the last time that shit was dirt. That shit was dirt. Like hell. I don't know what I'm saying. So I got the... Motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? I can't just start eating this shit without telling y'all motherfuckers what I got in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? So right off the bat, we got this rib Joneslet, you know what I'm saying? I got the collard greens, the baked beans, and then the mac and cheese, banana pudding. And then I got that barbecue pulled pork sandwich, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Cause you know, you can't get no barbecue pulled pork sandwich. Well, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get that barbecue pulled pork sandwich from this bitch, you know what I'm saying? You got to. So bam, and I forgot to say I had some damn pork skins. I got them homemade. Make sure that shit don't drop no more, you know what I'm saying? Cause I gotta, yeah, that shit be happening. So you know what I'm saying? I got that pork skin shit. We're gonna try this fattening. You know what I'm saying? Got that barbecue pulled pork, you know what I'm saying? With that white sauce. They say, yeah, we got white barbecue sauce, of course. You know, Tennessee shit. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna save that barbecue sandwich for later. Damn. Shit. Now we got that macaroni. Oh shit. Oh shit. You know, it say mac and cheese on that shit. It's mac and cheese, but this shit good though. Get some more. You know, it's like I can already tell that the damn collard greens are gonna be fucking good as hell, cause it smells just like like my grandma's house, like when she makes some shit. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get. I don't even want no salt, no pepper. I ain't gonna put no salt, no pepper. I don't even want no salt and pepper. The salt and pepper can't do shit for that. You know what? That's going out. Well, now that I'm back from that bullshit collard green excuse, we gonna get the baked bean shit. We got the all my life I ain't really had too much fucked up baked beans, you know what I'm saying? Like these pass, you know what I'm saying? These good, you know what I'm saying? I don't fuck with that green shit though, like peppers and shit. They like peppers and shit, like onions and shit. I don't like that. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Last but not least, you know what I'm saying? On to the main entree, that main item, you know what I'm saying? That meat, two sides type shit, you know what I'm saying? Come to cookout. But, you know what I'm saying? Got the rib shit. I don't even fuck with ribs, y'all. I never once was like, mommy, make some ribs type shit. But then, and so people I used to be with, like, get the ribs, you know, get the ribs. I never, I ain't get the ribs. I fuck with these though. Hey, but now, so last not least, down. Oh, by the way, this cornbread, the cornbread tastes like cake. Might be the best cornbread I ever had in my life. Hey, what fucking banana pudding got one wafer cookie on top? Man, they already do. Damn. Shit, banana pudding. Hey, so damn, overall, yo, hey, I ain't had to throw that sweet tea out that damn car. Fuck the collard greens though. Fuck the collard greens. The barbecue sandwich, it tastes like it's fucking what's that word? Rotten. Yeah, this shit tastes rotten. Yeah. What else I had? Ribs good. Beans superb. You know what I'm saying? Macaroni delish. You know what I'm saying? So hey, overall, man, you know what I'm saying? It was a good $30 well spent. You know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying? Check me out next time. You know what I'm saying, man? I'm gonna get on that next shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Fuck some more shit up. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah.